Alright, so we're underneath the truck, and here's the radiator drain. Get your adjustable wrench and just clamp on here, turn it. Water will start coming out here. Have your bucket ready. It'll drain out the radiator right there. Alright, and you probably know that underneath here you got to remove this panel here, so just get some needle nose pliers, and then you can, remove these little tabs here. You can probably do them with your fingers, with your hands, bare fingers, but if not, just needle nose pliers. Remove all four corners and you're good. Take it off. Alright, here we are. We're looking up at the turbo. Here's the oil line. There's that hose that I was telling you gotta remove, that hose clamp, and then it'll take that thing off up there. So what I recommend is you loosen these two from the catalytic converter. You're gonna have to loosen that bolt right there. It's got a latch on the opposing end, and